Okay, we are working in the Green Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal, and we just started Chapter 9, and we're on 9.1, and we are discussing statistical questions or not. Now, right out of the book, on page 392 in your green textbook, a statistical question is one for which you do not expect to get a single answer. Instead, you expect a variety of answers, and you are interested in the distribution of that data. So, for example, for 1, 2, and 3, all you have to do is say if it is a statistical question or not. So for number 1, how many songs are on your MP3 player? Well, that would be a question where you would not get the same answer from all of the other kids. So that is a statistical question. And again, you are not just getting a one word or one answer response. For number 2, how many feet are in 1 yard? Well, how many feet are in 1 yard? You would think for 6th graders, they would be able to calculate there are 3 feet in 1 yard. So that would not be a statistical question. Because there is one right answer. Number 3, what is the name of your favorite movie? Again, if you polled a lot of 6th graders, you would get a lot of different responses, so that would be a statistical question because you're going to have multiple responses, and then from those multiple responses you can sort of mine a lot of data from that. The other question we have is they have a dot plot, and right here where you have 65 through 78, this is called a dot plot, and basically where it has dots, that just signifies a response. So how many students are represented? The only thing you have to do is just count the dots. And it looks like there are 18 students that would be represented, and it has something to do with the text messages. So I'm sure they're all Snapchatting these days anyway. So once again, this is 9.1, statistical questions. Basically, you just have to prove if you can figure out what a statistical question looks like, or maybe come up with your own statistical question. As long as there's not one answer, it would be a statistical question. Favorites, how many songs, and like the how many feet are in 1 yard, that would be not a statistical question.